this video, we will be going over how this guy called Russell Brunson is currently making $100 million per year online using little persuasion tactics nobody is using. In this book review, we'll not only share the techniques and strategies he is using to sell his products online, but also how he created a massive movement around his business. Without wasting more time, here are 5 strategies to sell 100 million products a year. Strategy number 1. Use info products as a vehicle to scale your business. As we explained in the first video review, when Russell Brunson launched his Clickfunnels software business, he had 2 different competitors that launched at the same time as him. And his competitors had millions of capital to launch their businesses, and he had 0 capital and 0 investors, just his marketing knowledge to fight. And within a few years, he was able to dominate his competitors, being the #1 in the market, generating 100 million per year. We remind you of this inspiring story because one of the keys that allowed him to dominate his competitors is the use of info products to generate more than 100,000 subscriptions at $97 per month almost for free. To understand this strategy, let's first see what an info product is for those who don't know. An info product is simply a product that contains information, such as books, training, seminars, coaching programs, etc. So you might say, we don't see the connection. Why sell info products if I am not a coach or a consultant? Maybe you sell physical products or software. Well, these principles are still applicable. Let's look at 3 reasons why. Number 1. You will simplify your customer acquisition process because your prospects will understand through your info product why they need your product or service. For example, selling a software is not easy because most of the time, people don't know what it is really used for and how to use it. But by selling his book, which is an info product, people will understand why they need to use a sales funnel. So people will buy his software more easily because of the information provided in his book. So if you have a quite complicated or special product, using an info product is a great way to introduce them to your final product. Reason number 2. You are going to be positioned as an expert and not a commodity, and people will pay you more for the same product they can get elsewhere. To give you an example, a company that has executed this strategy very well is BioTrust Nutrition. If you pay attention to the details, they sell protein powders that most may consider basic, but they have smartly integrated an ebook to increase the perceived value of their entire product. So by doing this, they have not only become an expert in the nutrition category, but also increased the perceived value of their products. So, if you are selling physical products, just integrate an ebook into your product package to increase the perceived value of your product and brand. Reason number 3. You will be able to acquire new customers for free. One of the advantages of information products is that there is no product cost or delivery cost as it is simply information. So by selling training or ebooks, for example, when the customer buys, not only do you have cash, which is very important for the sustainability of your business, but you also have a customer for free to whom you will be able to offer your other products that you have in your back end to increase the profitability of your business. These strategies may sound simple or even illogical, but they are the $100 million strategies that all smart people use to lower their cost of acquisition, while exponentially exploding their online business. With these strategies, Russell Brunson didn't need to raise money for his software, like his competitors, because he could simply use information products to negate his customers' acquisition costs, while exploding his business to 100 million a year. Strategy number 2. Create a movement with a new opportunity. What do Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Disney, and every other big company you know have in common? They have all built a movement, not just selling a product, but a vision that brings people together towards the same goal. This is important to understand when you create your business, because people may come to buy one of your products, but they will only stay if you create a movement around your business. Now you are going to ask us how to build a movement practically. The first step is to become an expert or an authority figure. When we talk about Apple, we think of Steve Jobs. When we talk about Microsoft, we think of Bill Gates. When we talk about Tesla, we think of Elon Musk. In essence, by becoming an expert, you position yourself as an authority in your market. If we think of a market as simply a collection of people who collectively share the same experiences and have the same conversations, as an expert, your job will be to integrate that conversation and give your opinion. And if you really want to impact your market and become #1, Your mission will be to completely change the conversation of your market by proposing a new opportunity. Let's take a concrete example in the automotive world. Electric cars were considered slow and ugly. Elon Musk could have simply joined the conversation and created a petrol-powered car similar to a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. But he preferred to change the conversation and adopt a new philosophy that electric cars can be beautiful and as fast or even faster than Ferraris. So you see how he not only joined the conversation in his market, but he also changed the conversation. And today, Tesla has become one of the world's most famous cars. Let's look at another example. Russell Brunson, when he created Clickfunnels, the conversation in the market was that you needed a website to sell your products online. But for him, a website is not a salesperson, but simply a distraction for customers who want to take action. So that's where he came up with a new philosophy, which is to use what we now call sales funnels, which are like sites but with the sole purpose of selling one thing at a time. So again, he not only joined the conversation of his market, but he changed the conversation, and today he is the #1 in his market. So ask yourself 2 questions. What are the conversations my market is collectively having? 2. How can I change the conversation by offering a new alternative solution or philosophy? So by changing the conversation in your market, you will create a tribe of people who will trust you and be attracted to your new way of looking at things, to your new opportunity. And this new way of seeing things will make them buy your products massively. By the way, if you want to see this process in detail, to understand how we created an audience of 100,000 subscribers in 5 months, as well as our different strategies to sell our products, we have a case study that details everything we have put into place. You will see the link directly in the description of this video. Strategy number 3, building a movement with a based-oriented cause. What you need to understand when you decide to build a movement is the importance of a future-based vision or cause. For every political, social, or even religious movement, the leader had designated a futuristic cause that was a symbol of the future his community wanted to create. And once they got there, your job as an expert and leader is to bring your community together towards a single cause. Most people like to belong to something bigger than themselves. This is true in politics, in religion, and it will be true for your movement too. You need to create hope in your community, because without hope, they will not want to participate. For example, compare the speech of Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton during the 2016 presidential elections. For Hillary, her slogan
"Be stronger together."
For Donald Trump, his slogan said,
"We will make America great again."
Do you see the difference between the two? Donald Trump's slogan was based on the future, while Hillary Clinton's was based on the present. When Russell Brunson understood this phenomenon, he came up with the slogan for Clickfunnels, which said, "You are one funnel away," which means you are one sales funnel away from your goal, your freedom from anything you want in life. A sales funnel is the solution. This solution has thus become the theme of their products, their events, etc. You need to print your slogan everywhere, on your site, your emails, your videos, on all your social media. So for you, imagine you are preparing for an election. Think about what future you want to give your community. Think about what they really want, where they want to go, how you can capture the heart of that message in a single and clear slogan. Let's look at some slogans from brands you know. Nike, just do it. Apple, think different. Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Amazon, work hard, have fun, make history. Strategy number 4, offer a new identity to your community. Once someone has joined your community and accepted your new opportunity, the next most important thing you need to do is give them a new identity. Their ability to be successful with you is largely tied to a change in identity more than anything else you can do. You have to take them off the market and bring them into your world of your own. Since they are in your world, they become immune to competitors because they have chosen their identity. So if someone wants to offer them something else, their new opportunity has to be better than yours. But that's a topic for another conversation. If you don't give them a new opportunity, they're likely to go back to their old ways. So if you really want to help them, you have to offer them a new identity. One of the mistakes that a lot of people make, especially online marketing gurus, is trying to make their business and their movement based on them. As long as the name of your company or movement is your name, it will be difficult for others to identify with your movement. For example, Russell Brunson is the leader and expert, but the name of his movement is not his name. It is funnel hackers at Clickfunnels. These are people who believe in his philosophy. Another example, Tycoons Media is not a physical person, but a movement, as well as all our other companies. So find a name that your community can identify with and call it self. Use the phrase I am X or we are X. For example, we are funnel hackers. We are founders. You can even create t-shirts to give your community more of an identity, which will make others outside your community want to sign up for this new identity. Strategy number 5. Create trophies that will attract people to the outcome. Often in your business, a person will join your movement because they are looking for a result. Unfortunately, the outcome is not a strong enough driver to keep them in a momentum that will help them achieve their goals. Sometimes the goals they have set for themselves are not very concrete, like, I want to grow my business, or I want to be successful. The outcome most people are looking for is growth. So it can be difficult to define a finish line. For this reason, Russell Brunson decided to create milestone awards that people can reach as they grow their business with his new opportunity. He created what is called the 2 Club Award, which means that a person generated $1 million with a single sales funnel. Then another one for people who generated 10 million, and finally 100 million. So when people see these trophies, they are motivated to reach them. Imagine having a competition without trophies. No one will participate. It's the same thing for your business. For example, let's look at a web marketing guru who uses this strategy, Peter Prue. If you go to his website, he offers trophies for his training members as soon as they achieve results. So if you can create trophies within your community, don't hesitate to do so. Now that we've seen how Rusell Brunson persuades people to buy his products, there's a pretty important question he didn't tell us. How does he generate the necessary traffic to be able to make more than $300,000 per day on the internet? Well, that's what he revealed in his 3rd book called Traffic Secrets. To help you, we also decided to make a video summary of the best tips of the book. If you want to see it, well, click on the video that appears on the left. Or click on the video on the right that YouTube thinks you will enjoy.